In this exercise, I will configure the autoclave unit model. In a tank or a tie, unless you as the user set the split, SysCAD will divide the flow out of that equally. But in our case, we want all the gases to go out of P006, out of our vent stream. So to get SysCAD to do that, if I right-click on the autoclave, then near the bottom of the first page of the tank, there's a thing Options, Split Flows. And that's how we tell it how it must actually split the flows out of the tank. So if I click on that, we then have another tag here called GM, which stands for General Model. And if I click on there, you'll see the two streams coming out as P006, which is the vent stream, and P007, which is our slurry stream. We're going to set P006 to take all the vapors, so we want that to be the top stream, the top here, because with SysCAD, we can only set one of these two streams. The other one has to be free. So we want P006 to be at the top. If yours is not at the top, just go and change the priority from auto to 1. Click on the OK button, and you'll see it'll then move to the top of the two streams. There's a few ways you can change how you split the streams in a GM model. As you can see here, mass fraction, we can set the mass flows, the volume fractions, volume flows. But here we can set the phase mass fraction, which is what we need for this autoclave. So if I click on phase mass fraction, by default it's set my P006 to have 0% solids, 0% liquids, and 100% of the gases. So that means that all the gases will go out of P006 and the solids and liquids will go out of P007, which is what we want. We could change it. We could have a small amount of entrainment. We could say we want some liquids to go out with the gases as well. But in our case, we'll leave that as 0. So having set that up, if I now push solve, you'll see now that P006 has changed color. It's gone this light blue color. And if I right click on it, you'll see there's no flow going out of there because there are no gases coming out of the autoclave. So we've now set up our autoclave to split the gases to come out of the vent.